right, moment of truth. 147.
You're putting it all in the water?
Oh shoot. You're supposed to only go put the tip. This is the first time I'm doing this. Lily always does. 147 is game time. Let's go.
This is a really helpful little tool right over here. Got it on Amazon. Comes with this beautiful case. This is the TDS meter. It has the sticker right here for quality control pass, and you turn it on. This is the clear button, and then the mode, which you can see the temperature, parts per million. In the back, it's really helpful to know what the numbers mean. This is how it looks like. You simply submerge it up to right here with water, and it's going to give you a reading, parts per million, which you can then turn over to the back and see what that reading means. We use this TDS meter pretty much every day when we were traveling, filling up on water. I mean, I've even tested it out on rivers, lakes. Really good tool to have in your toolkit. Helps to give a good idea of how pure your water is.